It's always sad to say goodbye, so I came on a hike. This is the Comox Lake. There's a hike here, there's a waterfall. We're gonna go check it out. I leave tomorrow morning and I wanted to just do like one quick little video. I haven't spent a lot of time back here, but there's many of spots like this, and so anyways, I was walking up this earlier and I had to turn around because I realized how fucking nice and pretty it is, and the green, like, also sorry for my heavy breathing, but the green, like the greenery, like the color, as you can tell around me, we are in a rainforest. It is raining, which, you know, I used to hate, but I'm starting to like. But so, enjoy the hike. That's a lot of moss. Whoa. That's a big cliff. Look at that cliff. That's crazy. Holy moly. Rule number one, when you're like outdoors, whoa, is to not step on, that's a fucking cliff, brother. Do not step on the wet wood. One, because it's slippery, and two, because it could be rotten. And if it's rotten, you step right through. And when you do that, you can break a knee or an ankle or some unit body part. Whoa! Jesus. It looks like there's some climbing sections here. I don't climb, but I'm curious to check it out in case I want to climb. Okay. Okay. Like, I know it's not anything crazy, just some rotten logs across some other rotten logs. Like, it's kinda cool, you know, with the moss and like the exposure. Like, it looks cool. It's like very mysterious with a big log there falling over, you know? Like, what a what a nifty little scene. Precarious, you could say. Anywho, I'm trying to find this waterfall. I think it's up there. We're gonna go check it out. It's very foggy. I don't know if you can see. So, keep on chugging along. It's so fucking steep. You think you have good cardio until you gotta walk up a fucking mountain. Jesus. I think I'll go back down, and then what I'll do is we can go to another spot that I know that I actually do spend a lot of time at, and it's called the Goose Spit. I think the first time I got there was a lot of goose shit, and so I think maybe that's what they had intended to call it. And the spit is just a PG friendly way to say that, you know. So, anywho, back down she goes. Whoa! Gotta be careful. This forest kicks ass. I can hear the waterfall. So let's go check that out. And then let's double back to the van. Whoa! Because we got dinner plans with Florian for his birthday. And so, whoa. And so, yeah, we don't have a lot of time to mess around. I'll tell you what I really like about this whole area is it's not the best at everything, but it's so fucking good at everything that it has, and it has so much variety that it, like, I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, Mount Washington isn't Whistler in terms of like how much terrain there is and whatever, but there's so much touring, there's a ton of touring in Whistler as well. There's less traffic here. It's less busy, it's less pompous. Same thing with like Kelowna. Tons of biking in Kelowna, tons of snowboarding in the Okanagan. but like very busy, very, you know, not very demure. Anyways, found a bit of a waterfall, which is pretty cool. Well, okay. The Osmo's not waterproof, so this probably isn't the smartest idea. But how cool is that? Love it. Yeah, this is not a trail. This is just a riverbed. So but you know what? Sometimes the riverbed is the trail. So here you go. It's not what it is, it's what you make it. Loose. The pants are a little wet, but it's okay. That's the trusty water spout at the trusty 7-Eleven in Courtenay. So now that that's all sorted, realistically, as soon as I get to Calgary, it's gonna be cold and it's gonna be interesting to deal with water in the van moving forward. So I don't know what that's gonna look like, to be honest. The first winter I had a lot of troubles with the van, with the water tank freezing, with the water lines freezing, with all that kind of crap. So this winter I think we're just gonna have to do without water, especially when we get up to the Arctic. It's gonna be tough. Getting water around the Yukon is tough. Realistically, the only place that I could get water in all of, you know, kind of like the whole thing, was in Dawson City, which is 600 kilometers from Whitehorse. Yeah, so water in the winter is going to be tough, and I think we're going to have to go without it. I think we're going to have to be working out of jugs. I think it's going to be not very fun. Sick! What a send-off. Okay, welcome to the Spit, ladies and gentlemen. It is a spicy day at the Spit. So, oh my god. I don't even think you can. Woo! Let's see if I can show you what the Spit looks like. it's cold. Sheesh. Like it's cold. Like, I don't know how many degrees. I keep leaving my keys in the car. I left my keys in the car at the other hike spot. It's only 6 degrees, but it feels colder. Whew. Okay, let's go check out those guys doing the kite surf thing from inside. Let me do this. Remember what I was saying earlier about how many like activities and things there are to do in this town, and like how some places, like this is probably not the best place in the world to go kite surfing. However, you could probably be on top of Mount Washington in about 15 minutes and then you heard that, right? You could be on top of Mount Washington in 15 minutes and you can go snowboarding and skiing, and you can come down here and then you can go kite surfing, and then you can go whatever, mountain biking and climbing and all the things. All the things. This place is the coolest. I love it. I love it. So, okay. Anyways, that's pretty cool. This is the Spit. This is my favorite place to be. I usually just park alongside this place, kind of like that van right above that guy, and I just like hang. And on a day like today, this is probably part of what I would do. Sometimes I would probably maybe just be at a cafe or something. On the one side you have the ocean, on the other side you have the bay, and free entertainment all day long, which is pretty cool. I mean, this guy is a newbie, you can tell, but there's some dudes that catch air up here sometimes. So whoa, that's a little close, a little bit of my space there, folks. But anyways, that's all I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed the little trip. We're gonna go for some pizza and